Welcome to our channel Pets and Animals, where we explore the fascinating world of nature. Today we will take you into the journey of Amazon rainforest, so let's get started without waiting. The Amazon rainforest. Nature's biodiverse jewel, the Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is one of the most biodiverse regions on our planet. Spanning over 9 countries in South America, including Brazil, Peru, and Colombia, this vast ecosystem covers approximately 5.5 million square kilometers, 2.1 million square miles, and is home to an astonishing array of pets and wild animals. The Amazon rainforest is renowned for its exceptional geographical features, including the vast Amazon River and its extensive network of tributaries. These waterways not only provide essential sources of water but also shape the ecosystem and offer crucial habitats for various animal species. As one of the oldest and most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth, the Amazon rainforest is teeming with life, from the majestic predators that prowl its depths to the smallest insects that work tirelessly to maintain its delicate balance. The Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest on Earth, showcases a mesmerizing array of geographical features. Central to its existence is the Amazon River, a lifeline that snakes through the forest, carrying approximately 20% of the world's freshwater and flowing for over 6,400 kilometers, 4,000 miles. It nurtures the ecosystem, influencing climate patterns and shaping the life within its vast basin. The river's annual flooding irrigates and fertilizes the forest floor, contributing to the incredible fertility of the soil. The Amazon River, however, is not alone in defining the region. Numerous tributaries crisscross the landscape, forming an intricate network that sustains diverse microhabitats and fosters the unique adaptations of countless species. Together, these waterways serve as vital arteries that keep the heart of the rainforest alive, providing water, shelter, and a refuge for numerous animals. The Amazon rainforest stands out as a sanctuary for biodiversity, encompassing an astonishing variety of plant and animal species, many of which are yet to be discovered and classified by science. It is estimated that the Amazon is home to about 390 billion individual trees, representing around 16,000 different species. The canopy of the rainforest is so dense that it creates a green carpet that stretches as far as the eye can see, playing a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, hence the moniker, lungs of the earth. The animal kingdom in the Amazon rainforest is no less diverse. From the mighty jaguar, the apex predator of the region, to the secretive tapir, and the playful pink river dolphin, the array of wildlife here is awe-inspiring. Additionally, the Amazon is inhabited by an estimated 2.5 million insect species, which serve as pollinators and decomposers, playing essential roles in maintaining the ecological balance. Despite its resilience and adaptability, the Amazon rainforest faces numerous challenges that threaten its rich biodiversity. Deforestation, driven by human activities such as logging, agriculture, and infrastructure development, remains the most significant threat. Large swaths of the rainforest are cleared each year, leading to habitat loss for countless species and contributing to climate change through the release of stored carbon. Illegal poaching and hunting also endanger various animal species, including iconic ones like the jaguar and harpy eagle. Additionally, the introduction of invasive species, pollution, and climate change-induced extreme weather events further exacerbate the delicate balance of this complex ecosystem. Conservation efforts aimed at preserving the Amazon rainforest and its biodiversity have gained momentum over the years. International organizations, governments, and local communities have joined forces to protect this natural wonder. Initiatives include the creation of protected areas, indigenous reserves, and sustainable development projects. Environmental regulations and policies have been put in place to combat deforestation and promote responsible land use. Moreover, the development of ecotourism in the region provides economic incentives for conservation, encouraging local communities to embrace sustainable practices. Educational programs and research projects play a vital role in raising awareness about the significance of the Amazon rainforest and the urgent need to protect it. By fostering understanding and appreciation of this unique ecosystem, we can build a collective commitment to its preservation. In conclusion, The Amazon rainforest remains a captivating testament to the astonishing biodiversity and ecological complexity that our planet harbors. From the life-giving waters of the Amazon River to the hidden depths of its dense canopy, this remarkable ecosystem showcases nature's brilliance. Its intricate web of life, from the largest predators to the tiniest insects, reminds us of the interdependence of all living beings. However, the Amazon rainforest faces an uncertain future, threatened by deforestation, climate change, and other human-induced pressures. It is crucial for us to recognize the significance of this biodiverse jewel and take decisive action to conserve and protect it for future generations. By supporting sustainable practices, promoting conservation initiatives, and fostering a deeper understanding of the rainforest's importance, we can ensure that the Amazon continues to thrive as a living testament to nature's resilience and wonder. Preserving the lungs of the earth is not just a responsibility. It is a shared commitment to the survival of life as we know it. The Amazon's climate is tropical and humid, supporting the growth of lush vegetation and enabling a diverse range of animals to thrive. The region experiences high levels of rainfall throughout the year, creating an environment that teems with life. The animals of the Amazon rainforest have adapted to this unique climate, developing specialized behaviors and characteristics to survive in the dense vegetation and humid conditions. In addition to the abundant rainfall, the Amazon's climate is also characterized by relatively stable temperatures and consistent day length throughout the year. These factors contribute to the rich biodiversity of the region, as many animals have evolved specific breeding and feeding behaviors in response to the predictable environment. The Amazon rainforest covers a significant portion of South America, spreading across several countries. Its climate is dominated by tropical conditions with high levels of humidity, ensuring lush vegetation flourishes. The region's climate is driven by the equatorial position, which results in consistent day length throughout the year and relatively stable temperatures. This unvarying environment has allowed the flora and fauna of the Amazon to develop specialized survival strategies over time. Given the dense vegetation of the rainforest, many animals have adapted to arboreal lifestyles. This means they spend most of their lives in the trees, navigating the intricate network of branches with ease. Primates, such as howler monkeys and capuchins, exemplify this adaptation with their dexterous limbs and prehensile tails, allowing them to grasp onto branches for movement and stability. In a rainforest teeming with life, staying hidden from predators or prey is crucial for survival. Many Amazonian animals have developed exceptional camouflage abilities to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Leaf-tailed geckos and stick insects are prime examples of how successful this adaptation can be, as they resemble leaves or twigs, making them virtually invisible to predators. To avoid the intense daytime heat and competition, some animals have adopted nocturnal behavior. Creatures like ocelots and kinkajous become active during the night, when temperatures drop and the cover of darkness provides an advantage for hunting and avoiding predators. The consistent climate of the Amazon allows for specific reproductive strategies among its animal inhabitants. Many species synchronize their breeding patterns with seasonal changes in food availability or water levels. This ensures the survival of their offspring when resources are plentiful, increasing their chances of survival. The Amazon rainforest is abundant with fruit-bearing trees, making it an ideal environment for frugivorous animals. Birds like toucans and macaws are well adapted to feed on a variety of fruits, aiding in seed dispersal and promoting the growth of new plants. Several Amazonian animals have adopted an omnivorous diet, allowing them to take advantage of a wide range of food sources. Animals like agoutis and coatis are opportunistic feeders, consuming fruits, insects, small vertebrates, and even carrion, providing them with essential nutrients in the diverse rainforest environment. The dense vegetation of the rainforest often obstructs visual communication between animals. Consequently, many species rely heavily on vocalizations to communicate with members of their group, mark territory, or attract mates. The symphony of calls, such as the haunting cries of howler monkeys, fills the rainforest canopy, serving essential social functions for these creatures. Some animals in the Amazon exhibit tool use, demonstrating their remarkable intelligence and adaptability. For example, Capuchin monkeys are known to use rocks and sticks as tools to crack open nuts, showcasing their problem-solving abilities. In conclusion, the Amazon rainforest's climate has shaped the evolution of its animal inhabitants, leading to an astonishing array of adaptations and behaviors. From the treetops to the forest floor, these creatures have developed unique strategies to survive and thrive in the dense vegetation and humid conditions. As we continue to learn about the secrets of this awe-inspiring ecosystem, it becomes evident that the Amazon rainforest is a testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Preserving this fragile habitat is not only essential for the survival of its animal inhabitants but also crucial for the well-being of our planet and the future generations to come. The Amazon rainforest houses an unparalleled wealth of biodiversity. It is estimated to contain around 390 billion individual trees and is home to an astonishing variety of animal species. From majestic mammals to colorful birds, from reptiles and amphibians to intricate insects and invertebrates, the rainforest boasts an impressive and intricate web of life. The staggering diversity of animal life in the Amazon is a result of millions of years of evolution and coexistence. Many species have developed unique adaptations to carve out their ecological niches, leading to extraordinary behaviors, survival strategies, and interdependence within the ecosystem. The Amazon rainforest is also facing the threat of deforestation and habitat destruction, leading to the loss of countless species and the endangerment of many others. The importance of conservation efforts cannot be overstated in safeguarding the future of these irreplaceable habitats and their inhabitants. Despite the challenges, the Amazon's resilience and regenerative capabilities remind us of the urgency of preserving this treasure trove of life for future generations. The Amazon rainforest is undoubtedly one of the most extraordinary natural wonders on Earth, boasting an unparalleled wealth of biodiversity. With approximately 390 billion individual trees and an astonishing variety of animal species, this vast tropical forest stands as a testament to millions of years of evolution and coexistence. From majestic mammals to colorful birds, from reptiles and amphibians to intricate insects and invertebrates, the rainforest's biodiversity is a spectacle of life's ingenuity and adaptability. Millions of years of evolution have shaped the animals of the Amazon rainforest into unique and specialized beings, each equipped with adaptations that help them survive in their respective environments. For instance, the jaguar's stealth and powerful jaws enable it to hunt efficiently among the dense vegetation, while sloth's slow movements are an ingenious strategy to conserve energy and avoid detection by predators. Birds like the harpy eagle have developed exceptional eyesight and powerful talons to secure prey, making them apex predators in the canopy. The Amazon's aquatic life is equally fascinating, with piranhas and electric eels showcasing remarkable adaptations to thrive in their watery habitats. The rainforest's incredible biodiversity is not just a result of individual species' adaptations but also of their interdependence and coexistence. This intricate web of life demonstrates how various species rely on one another for survival and propagation. For example, certain plant species rely on specific animals for pollination and seed dispersal, while others may form symbiotic relationships with fungi to enhance nutrient absorption. Predators and prey have evolved alongside each other, maintaining population checks and balances to prevent ecological imbalances. The delicate harmony of this interdependence is crucial to the rainforest's continued existence. Despite its resilience, the Amazon rainforest faces severe threats that endanger its delicate ecosystem and unique biodiversity. The most significant threat is deforestation, driven primarily by human activities like logging, agricultural expansion, and mining. Large areas of the rainforest are cleared each year, leading to the destruction of countless animal habitats and reducing the space available for species to thrive. Moreover, the loss of trees and vegetation reduces the rainforest's ability to absorb carbon dioxide, exacerbating climate change on a global scale. Habitat destruction also exposes many species to the risk of extinction, with some already teetering on the brink due to dwindling numbers. Conservation efforts are crucial in preserving the Amazon rainforest's biodiversity and protecting it from irreversible damage. International organizations, governments, and local communities must work together to enforce stricter regulations against illegal logging and land clearing, as well as promote sustainable practices that support both local livelihoods and environmental protection. Reforestation initiatives can help restore damaged areas and create corridors for wildlife movement. Additionally, education and awareness campaigns can play a significant role in promoting responsible consumer choices, reducing the demand for products linked to deforestation. In conclusion, the Amazon rainforest stands as a symbol of nature's unparalleled creativity and resilience, housing a diverse array of animal life that has evolved over millions of years. Its beauty, complexity, and interdependence highlight the intrinsic value of biodiversity and the interconnectedness of all living beings. However, the looming threats of deforestation and habitat destruction underscore the urgent need for conservation efforts to protect this invaluable treasure trove of life for future generations. By embracing sustainable practices, raising awareness, and implementing effective measures, we can ensure that the Amazon rainforest continues to thrive and inspire wonder for many generations to come. Indigenous communities in the Amazon rainforest have had a long history of keeping animals as pets, forming deep cultural and spiritual connections with their chosen companions. For example, some tribes keep parrots or macaws as pets, valuing their vibrant plumage and their ability to mimic human speech. These indigenous pets often play essential roles within the community, serving as sources of companionship, protection, and spiritual guidance. The relationship between indigenous peoples and their pets transcends a mere owner-pet dynamic. It is rooted in mutual respect and a profound understanding of the animal's significance in maintaining harmony within the ecosystem. The animals chosen as traditional pets vary among different tribes, reflecting the cultural diversity and unique perspectives that enrich the fabric of the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is not only a treasure trove of biodiversity but also home to numerous indigenous communities that have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. Among the various aspects of their unique cultures, the practice of keeping animals as pets holds special significance. Indigenous communities in the Amazon have developed profound relationships with their chosen animal companions, viewing them as more than mere pets, but as vital components of their societies. This essay explores the historical and cultural significance of indigenous pets in the Amazon rainforest, examining the diverse animals kept and the intricate relationships formed with them. The practice of keeping animals as pets in the Amazon rainforest traces back generations, intertwining with the spiritual beliefs and customs of different indigenous tribes. The notion of these pets being an integral part of their societies stems from the understanding that every living being has a unique role to play in maintaining ecological harmony. Whether it be parrots, macaws, monkeys, or other animals, these indigenous communities have chosen their companions carefully, recognizing the importance of forming strong connections with them. The bond between indigenous people and their pets goes beyond providing a practical purpose within the community. The animals become cherished companions, offering emotional support and solace in times of joy and hardship. Their presence in daily life provides a sense of kinship and alleviates the feeling of isolation, which is particularly vital in the vast and dense rainforest environment. The deep emotional connections formed with these animals underscore the intimate relationship shared between indigenous communities and their pets. Indigenous pets in the Amazon rainforest serve not only as friends but also as protectors of the community. They possess an inherent understanding of their environment, often alerting their human companions to potential dangers and intruders. For instance, parrots and macaws have acute senses and can detect changes in weather patterns or the presence of predatory animals, safeguarding the tribe from unforeseen threats. This role as protectors further strengthens the bond between indigenous communities and their animal companions. Within the rich spiritual tapestry of indigenous cultures, pets hold a place of profound importance. Animals are seen as emissaries of the natural world, possessing spiritual wisdom that can guide and advise their human counterparts. Shamans and spiritual leaders often communicate with these pets, seeking insight and wisdom to navigate challenges and make important decisions for the community. The belief in the spiritual connection between humans and their pets reinforces the notion of unity and interconnectedness with nature. The array of animals kept as pets in the Amazon rainforest reflects the cultural diversity of indigenous tribes residing in this vast region. Each tribe's unique perspective on nature and spirituality is encapsulated in their choice of animal companions. For instance, tribes in one region may prefer parrots for their vibrant plumage and their ability to mimic human speech, whereas in another region, monkeys might be considered sacred for their intelligence and playful nature. The diversity of animals kept as pets reflects the multifaceted tapestry of Amazonian culture. The array of animals kept as pets in the Amazon rainforest reflects the cultural diversity of indigenous tribes residing in this vast region. Each tribe's unique perspective on nature and spirituality is encapsulated in their choice of animal companions. For instance, tribes in one region may prefer parrots for their vibrant plumage and their ability to mimic human speech, whereas in another region, monkeys might be considered sacred for their intelligence and playful nature. The diversity of animals kept as pets reflects the multifaceted tapestry of Amazonian culture. The tradition of keeping animals as pets among indigenous communities in the Amazon rainforest embodies the essence of cultural richness and ecological harmony. These pets, more than just animals, hold a sacred place in the hearts of the people, serving as companions, protectors, and spiritual guides. The practice represents a profound understanding of the interconnectedness between humans and nature, a lesson that the modern world can learn from and appreciate. As we continue to explore and appreciate the Amazon rainforest, it is crucial to recognize and respect the importance of indigenous pets and the intricate relationships they form with the communities they inhabit. By doing so, we can contribute to the preservation of both cultural diversity and the invaluable ecosystem of the Amazon rainforest. In recent times, the global demand for exotic pets has impacted the Amazon rainforest, leading to the capture and trade of various unique and endangered species. Creatures like the anaconda, tarantulas, and colorful poison dart frogs have become sought-after pets in the exotic pet trade. However, this practice raises ethical concerns, as it contributes to the decline of wild populations and disrupts the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The trade in exotic pets poses a significant threat to the Amazon's wildlife. The capture and transportation of these animals often involve cruel and inhumane practices, causing suffering and death to many individuals. Moreover, the removal of these animals from their natural habitats can disrupt entire ecosystems, leading to cascading effects on other species and habitats. The Amazon rainforest, known as the lungs of the earth, harbors an astonishing diversity of wildlife, some of which are rare and endangered. In recent times, the global demand for exotic pets has placed immense pressure on this delicate ecosystem. Exotic species such as anacondas, tarantulas, and poison dart frogs have become highly sought-after pets, leading to their capture and trade. This essay explores the ethical concerns raised by the exotic pet trade in the Amazon rainforest, emphasizing its adverse effects on wildlife, ecosystems, and the overall balance of nature. The capture and transportation of exotic animals involve numerous challenges, often resulting in cruelty and suffering. Wildlife traders often employ inhumane practices to capture these creatures, causing considerable stress and even death during the process. For example, the capture of anacondas, large and powerful snakes, can be particularly dangerous and detrimental to their well-being. Furthermore, the transportation of these animals, often over long distances and in cramped conditions, leads to high mortality rates among the captive individuals. The growing demand for exotic pets also exacerbates the problem of illegal wildlife trafficking, which undermines conservation efforts and threatens the survival of endangered species. The Amazon rainforest, already facing numerous threats such as deforestation and climate change, cannot afford additional pressures on its wildlife populations. The Amazon rainforest is a complex web of interdependent species, and the removal of any one component can have far-reaching consequences. Each species plays a vital role in the ecosystem, and the loss of even seemingly insignificant creatures can disrupt the delicate balance that sustains life in the rainforest. For instance, the presence of tarantulas in the rainforest regulates insect populations, preventing certain pest species from overwhelming the ecosystem. When tarantulas are removed from their natural habitat, there can be a surge in insect populations, leading to imbalances and potential harm to other species, including plants and animals further up the food chain. The exotic pet trade poses a particular threat to endangered species, such as the colorful poison dart frogs. These vibrant and alluring creatures are often collected illegally and sold as pets in the global market. Unfortunately, this demand leads to extensive poaching and habitat destruction, pushing these already vulnerable species closer to extinction. Moreover, The illegal pet trade disrupts conservation efforts and hinders the sustainable recovery of endangered species. The trade's financial allure encourages poachers to continue their activities, further diminishing the chances of survival for these species in the wild. The ethical concerns surrounding the exotic pet trade in the Amazon rainforest are multifaceted. Firstly, there is the ethical dilemma of causing harm and suffering to sentient beings during the process of capture, transport, and sale. Animals in the pet trade may endure stress, injuries, and even death due to inadequate handling and harsh conditions. Secondly, there is an ethical responsibility towards the conservation of the Amazon rainforest and its biodiversity. As humans, we have an obligation to protect and preserve the natural world for future generations and to maintain the integrity of the ecosystem that sustains life on Earth. To address the ethical concerns and mitigate the impact of the exotic pet trade on the Amazon rainforest, concerted efforts are needed at local, national, and global levels. Strengthening legislation. Governments and international organizations should enact and enforce stringent laws against the illegal wildlife trade. Penalties for poaching and trading protected species should be severe enough to act as a deterrent. Public awareness and education. Raising awareness about the consequences of the exotic pet trade and its impact on the Amazon rainforest is crucial. Educational campaigns can help foster a sense of responsibility and empathy towards wildlife, discouraging the demand for exotic pets. Sustainable alternatives. Promoting responsible ecotourism and sustainable alternatives can generate income for local communities while preserving the Amazon's biodiversity. Encouraging visitors to experience the beauty of the rainforest without harming its inhabitants can be a more ethical approach. Collaboration with local communities. Involving local communities in conservation efforts is essential. By engaging them as stewards of their natural resources, we can foster a sense of ownership and encourage sustainable practices. In conclusion, the exotic pet trade's impact on the Amazon rainforest raises serious ethical concerns and poses a significant threat to wildlife and ecosystems. As consumers and citizens of the world, we have a moral obligation to address these issues and work towards preserving the rich biodiversity of the rainforest. Through strong legislation, education, and sustainable practices, we can protect these unique and endangered species while ensuring the survival of one of the most vital ecosystems on the planet. By acting responsibly, we can ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at the wonders of the Amazon rainforest and the incredible creatures that call it home. Owning a pet in the Amazon rainforest comes with great responsibility. In addition to providing proper care, nutrition, and veterinary attention, pet owners must be mindful of the potential negative impacts of releasing non-native species into the environment. Such releases can result in the spread of invasive species, threatening native wildlife and disrupting the fragile ecosystem. To mitigate these risks, education plays a pivotal role. Raising awareness among local communities and tourists about the potential consequences of pet ownership and the importance of responsible practices is essential in promoting the well-being of both pets and wildlife. Sustainable and culturally sensitive approaches to pet ownership can help bridge the gap between human-animal interactions and ecological conservation, ensuring that future generations can continue to appreciate the extraordinary diversity of life in the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest is a magnificent and diverse ecosystem, teeming with an unparalleled array of plant and animal species. For many, owning a pet in this lush and vibrant environment may seem like a dream come true. However, along with the joys of pet companionship, there also lies a responsibility to protect the delicate balance of this unique ecosystem. Pet ownership in the Amazon comes with the potential for unintended consequences, such as the release of non-native species, which can lead to the spread of invasive species and endanger native wildlife. To safeguard the Amazon's biodiversity and ensure a sustainable future, educating local communities and tourists about responsible pet ownership practices is crucial. By fostering a greater understanding of the impacts of pet ownership on the environment, we can strike a harmonious balance between human-animal interactions and ecological conservation. Releasing non-native species into the Amazon rainforest poses a significant threat to its delicate ecosystem. Often, well-meaning pet owners may release their animals into the wild, thinking they are returning them to their natural habitat. However, these pets are not adapted to survive in the wild and can disrupt the balance of the local fauna and flora. Invasive species, such as certain reptiles, birds, and mammals, can outcompete native species for resources, leading to the decline or extinction of local flora and fauna. These invasive species may lack natural predators, allowing their populations to grow unchecked and further threatening the delicate ecological balance of the region. Education plays a pivotal role in addressing the potential negative impacts of pet ownership in the Amazon rainforest. Raising awareness among local communities and tourists about the consequences of releasing non-native pets and the importance of responsible pet ownership is crucial to fostering a sense of responsibility towards the environment. Local communities living in or around the rainforest should be provided with information about native species, their habitats, and their significance in maintaining the ecological equilibrium. They should also be educated about the potential threats posed by invasive species and the role they can play in preventing their spread. Tourists visiting the Amazon should receive educational materials and orientation about the responsible practices of pet ownership. Tour operators and travel agencies can collaborate in disseminating this information to visitors, emphasizing the need for sustainable ecotourism that respects the region's natural wonders. Preserving the local culture and traditions is essential while promoting responsible pet ownership in the Amazon. Rather than imposing Western ideals of pet ownership, sustainable practices should be integrated into existing cultural norms. Working with local communities and leaders, initiatives can be designed to address the challenges of pet ownership without undermining the cultural values associated with animal companionship. For instance, promoting the adoption of local and native species as pets can contribute to the preservation of the region's biodiversity. Responsible pet ownership involves providing proper care, nutrition, and veterinary attention to pets, whether they are native or non-native species. Pet owners should be encouraged to consider the potential long-term impact of bringing a pet into their home, especially when it is not native to the region. Local authorities and environmental organizations can collaborate to develop guidelines and regulations on pet ownership in the Amazon. These guidelines should outline the appropriate steps to take when someone can no longer care for their pet, emphasizing the importance of seeking responsible alternatives, such as finding reputable animal shelters or rescue organizations. In addition, animal welfare organizations can play a vital role in offering resources and support to pet owners, facilitating education and outreach programs, and establishing pet adoption initiatives. Owning a pet in the Amazon rainforest is a privilege that comes with great responsibility. The allure of sharing our lives with animals should not overshadow the significance of preserving the rainforest's delicate ecological balance. By raising awareness and promoting responsible pet ownership practices, we can mitigate the risks of releasing non-native species, protect the region's native wildlife, and ensure that the Amazon's extraordinary diversity of life remains intact for generations to come. Fostering a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness between human-animal interactions and ecological conservation will not only benefit the Amazon rainforest but also contribute to a more sustainable approach to pet ownership worldwide. Only through concerted efforts and a collective commitment can we strike the right balance, allowing us to coexist harmoniously with the natural world while cherishing our beloved animal companions. The Amazon rainforest is home to numerous captivating mammal species, each with its unique adaptations and behaviors. Among the most iconic mammals found here is the jaguar, an apex predator that roams the rainforest with stealth and power. Other fascinating mammals include the three-toed sloth, which spends most of its life hanging upside down from trees, and the playful river dolphins that inhabit the Amazon's waterways. The diversity of mammalian life in the Amazon extends from the treetops to the forest floor and beyond, exemplifying the intricate connections between predators, herbivores, and the flora that sustains them. The jaguar, Panthera onca, stands as one of the most iconic and enigmatic predators in the Amazon. Known for its powerful build, striking coat pattern, and stealthy hunting prowess, the jaguar reigns as an apex predator, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the rainforest ecosystem. Its broad diet includes a wide array of prey, such as deer, peccaries, monkeys, and even caimans, allowing it to adapt to changes in the availability of food sources. The jaguar's incredible adaptability and skill as a hunter stem from its powerful limbs, sharp retractable claws, and strong jaws capable of delivering a fatal bite. Moreover, This elusive feline has learned to navigate the dense rainforest and exploit the element of surprise to its advantage. Its presence, as a top predator, helps control herbivore populations, thereby indirectly affecting vegetation distribution and regeneration, making it an essential guardian of the rainforest's biodiversity. In stark contrast to the jaguar's dynamism, the three-toed sloth, Bradypus spp., has perfected the art of slow living. These endearing creatures spend most of their lives hanging upside down from tree branches, moving with an unhurried pace that ensures their survival in the canopy. Their leisurely lifestyle is complemented by specialized adaptations, such as a reduced metabolic rate, low-energy diet of leaves, and a unique muscle arrangement allowing them to maintain their position with minimal effort. This peculiar lifestyle serves a crucial purpose in the ecosystem. The sloth's slow movements attract algae on its fur, providing camouflage and protection from predators. Additionally, their droppings on the forest floor act as nutrient-rich fertilizer, nourishing the soil and contributing to the growth of vegetation. The three-toed sloth is a testament to nature's ability to nurture life in diverse and fascinating ways. Within the Amazon's intricate waterways, one encounters the mesmerizing river dolphins, represented by two distinct species: the pink river dolphin, Inia geoffrensis, and the Amazon river dolphin, Inia boliviensis. These aquatic mammals hold an exceptional position in Amazonian culture and mythology and have captured the fascination of locals and researchers alike. The river dolphins have evolved unique adaptations to thrive in their watery habitat. Their elongated beaks and flexible necks help them navigate through the densely vegetated waters and locate prey. Their keen echolocation abilities allow them to find food even in murky conditions. In turn, these dolphins maintain the balance of fish populations and help control aquatic insect populations, thereby indirectly affecting the Amazon's aquatic ecosystem. The diversity of mammalian life in the Amazon rainforest extends beyond individual species, playing a crucial role in maintaining the intricate balance of the ecosystem as a whole. Predators like the jaguar help regulate herbivore populations, preventing overgrazing and promoting healthier vegetation. Herbivores, in turn, aid in seed dispersal and vegetation growth, influencing forest regeneration and biodiversity. Furthermore, the symbiotic relationship between mammals and the flora is essential for their mutual survival. Plants provide food and shelter for mammals, while mammals contribute to pollination and seed dispersal, ensuring the continued propagation of plant species. This interdependence weaves a complex web of life, where every strand contributes to the resilience and sustainability of the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is a treasure trove of remarkable mammalian diversity, harboring iconic species like the jaguar, the three-toed sloth, and the river dolphins. Each mammal plays a vital role in the complex web of life that sustains the ecosystem. The jaguar's prowess as an apex predator keeps herbivore populations in check, while the three-toed sloth's unhurried lifestyle contributes to soil fertility and vegetation growth. River dolphins, with their grace and echolocation skills, help maintain aquatic balance and control insect populations. Understanding and preserving these captivating mammals and their intricate roles in the Amazon rainforest are crucial for safeguarding this invaluable ecosystem. By protecting these species and their habitats, we ensure the continuity of the Amazon's magnificent biodiversity, contributing to the health and well-being of our planet as a whole. The Amazon rainforest boasts an extraordinary variety of bird species, captivating birdwatchers from around the world. From the vibrant macaws and toucans to the elusive harpy eagles and vibrant hummingbirds, these feathered creatures play crucial roles in seed dispersal and pollination, contributing to the overall health and diversity of the rainforest. Birds in the Amazon rainforest have evolved various specialized adaptations, such as unique beak shapes and vibrant plumage, enabling them to find food, attract mates, and navigate the dense foliage with ease. Among the most iconic avian residents of the Amazon rainforest are the majestic macaws, Ara spp., and toucans, Rhamphastidae family. Known for their vibrant plumage and charismatic personalities, these birds add a burst of color to the lush greenery of the rainforest. Macaws, with their striking red, blue, and yellow feathers, are excellent climbers and flyers, navigating the forest with grace and agility. Toucans, on the other hand, possess large, colorful bills that play a crucial role in their survival. Their beaks help them reach fruits that other birds cannot access, making them important seed dispersers for various tree species. The abundance of fruit in their diet also provides them with essential nutrients for their high-energy activities. Both macaws and toucans are integral to the rainforest's ecosystem as seed dispersers, facilitating the growth of new plants and ensuring the continuity of various plant species. The harpy eagle, Harpia harpyia, reigns as the undisputed queen of the Amazonian canopy. As one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world, this majestic bird of prey has adapted to life at the treetops. Its massive talons and sharp beak allow it to capture and consume a variety of prey, including large mammals like sloths and monkeys. Despite their regal presence, harpy eagles are elusive and rarely spotted due to their small populations and vast territories. Their importance in the ecosystem lies not only in controlling prey populations but also in acting as an indicator of forest health. The presence of these top predators signifies a thriving and balanced ecosystem, making their conservation crucial for the well-being of the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is also home to an astonishing diversity of hummingbird species, with their iridescent feathers and remarkable agility making them among the most captivating birds in the world. Hummingbirds, Trochilidae family, are known for their unique ability to hover in mid-air, darting from flower to flower with astonishing speed to feed on nectar. Their long, slender bills and specialized tongues are perfectly adapted to sip nectar from the depths of flowers, while also inadvertently aiding in pollination as they travel between blooms. The symbiotic relationship between hummingbirds and the rainforest flora is essential for the survival and proliferation of various plant species, and their role as pollinators contributes to the maintenance of a healthy ecosystem. The avian inhabitants of the Amazon rainforest play a crucial role in maintaining the rich biodiversity of this ecosystem. Beyond their role in seed dispersal and pollination, birds also help control insect populations, contributing to a balanced ecosystem. Insects can become pests if left unchecked, leading to potential ecological imbalances. Furthermore, birds are integral to the cultural significance of the rainforest for indigenous communities, who often incorporate these feathered creatures into their folklore, rituals, and traditions. Protecting the diverse bird life of the Amazon not only ensures the survival of individual species but also safeguards the cultural heritage of the people living in and around this natural wonder. The Amazon rainforest is a realm of avian marvels, where birds of all shapes and sizes color the landscape with their vibrant plumage and fascinating behaviors. From the elegant macaws and toucans contributing to seed dispersal, to the elusive harpy eagles ruling the canopy, and the energetic hummingbirds pollinating flowers with unmatched precision, these feathered inhabitants play an indispensable role in the balance and health of the rainforest ecosystem. Understanding the significance of birds in the Amazon rainforest is vital for conservation efforts. By protecting their habitats and ensuring their survival, we safeguard the delicate web of life that sustains this invaluable ecosystem. Preserving the avian wonders of the Amazon not only ensures the continuity of these incredible species but also reflects our commitment to conserving the biodiversity and cultural heritage of this breathtaking natural treasure. Reptiles and amphibians thrive in the diverse habitats of the Amazon rainforest. Giant anacondas, colorful poison dart frogs, and caimans are just a few examples of the many species found here. These creatures are integral parts of the ecosystem, serving as both predators and prey, and their survival is threatened by habitat loss, climate change, and illegal pet trade. The complex life cycles and behaviors of Amazonian reptiles and amphibians underscore their critical roles in nutrient cycling and pest control. Many of these species are also indicators of ecosystem health, reflecting changes in environmental conditions. The Amazon rainforest is a haven for a fascinating array of reptiles and amphibians that have adapted to thrive in its diverse habitats. From the imposing giant anacondas to the vividly colored poison dart frogs and the stealthy caimans, these creatures play vital roles as both predators and prey, contributing to the intricate balance of the ecosystem. However, their survival is under threat due to habitat loss, climate change, and illegal pet trade. Understanding the complex life cycles and behaviors of Amazonian reptiles and amphibians sheds light on their critical roles in nutrient cycling, pest control, and their significance as indicators of ecosystem health. Giant anacondas, Eunectes murinus, are among the most formidable reptiles in the Amazon rainforest, and they hold a place of intrigue and fear in the hearts of many. As one of the largest snakes in the world, they are highly adaptable, capable of thriving in aquatic and terrestrial environments. These constrictor snakes rely on their immense size and strength to overpower their prey, which includes a variety of mammals, birds, and even other reptiles. Giant anacondas are apex predators, and their presence has a significant impact on the ecological balance of the rainforest. By regulating the populations of their prey, they help maintain healthy ecosystems and prevent overpopulation of certain species. The Amazon rainforest is home to a stunning array of poison dart frogs, known for their vivid colors and deadly toxins. These small amphibians serve as an example of how colors can be nature's warning sign. While their appearance is visually captivating, it acts as a deterrent to potential predators, signaling that they are not suitable for consumption. The toxins present in their skin are derived from their diet, which includes certain toxic plants and insects. Indigenous tribes have utilized the toxic secretions of poison dart frogs to coat the tips of blow darts for hunting purposes. The presence of these frogs in the rainforest not only indicates a thriving ecosystem but also underscores the delicate balance that must be maintained to support their survival. Caimans are a group of reptiles belonging to the Alligatoridae family and are closely related to alligators and crocodiles. The Amazon rainforest is home to several species of caimans, such as the spectacled caiman, Caiman crocodilus, and the black caiman, Melanosuchus niger. These semi-aquatic reptiles play a critical role in maintaining the health of aquatic ecosystems. As predators, caimans help control fish and invertebrate populations, preventing overgrazing and promoting a balanced aquatic environment. Their presence ensures that the abundance of certain species does not lead to imbalances in the food web. Caimans are also known for their nesting habits, which contribute to the overall biodiversity of the rainforest. Reptiles and amphibians are essential indicators of ecosystem health, reflecting changes in environmental conditions and overall habitat quality. Due to their sensitivity to changes in temperature, humidity, and pollution, fluctuations in their populations can serve as early warning signs of ecological disturbances. Amphibians, in particular, are known to be highly susceptible to environmental changes. Their permeable skin makes them vulnerable to pollutants and pathogens present in their habitats. The decline or disappearance of certain amphibian species can signal underlying issues affecting the broader ecosystem, such as pollution or climate change. Reptiles and amphibians in the Amazon rainforest play vital roles as both predators and prey, contributing to the intricate balance of this biodiverse ecosystem. Giant anacondas maintain ecological equilibrium by regulating prey populations, while poison dart frogs exemplify the delicate dance of survival through their colorful warning signals. Caimans, as guardians of aquatic habitats, ensure a balanced aquatic ecosystem. Additionally, the presence and status of these species serve as indicators of the overall health of the Amazon rainforest, reflecting environmental changes that require our attention and action. Preserving the habitats of these remarkable reptiles and amphibians is crucial for their survival and the maintenance of the Amazon rainforest's biodiversity. By addressing the threats of habitat loss, climate change, and illegal pet trade, we can help protect these invaluable species and the delicate balance they contribute to in this awe-inspiring natural wonder. As guardians of the Amazon rainforest, it is our responsibility to ensure their continued existence for generations to come. The rainforest floor is a bustling realm of insects and invertebrates, each playing a crucial role in nutrient recycling and ecosystem balance. From leafcutter ants that diligently harvest and transport leaves to fungi farmers to the industrious dung beetles that aid in decomposition, these small yet vital creatures contribute significantly to the rainforest's ecological well-being. The Amazon rainforest is unrivaled in terms of biodiversity, and this extends to its insect and invertebrate population. Scientists estimate that this region is home to over 2.5 million species of insects alone, with many more yet to be discovered and documented. These creatures come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, each fulfilling unique ecological roles. From pollination to decomposition, They are integral components of the rainforest's complex web of life. Among the most fascinating rainforest inhabitants are the leafcutter ants. These tiny insects demonstrate remarkable intelligence and organization in their quest for survival. They diligently harvest leaves and carry them back to their underground colonies, where they cultivate a special fungus as their primary food source. This mutualistic relationship between the ants and the fungus illustrates the interconnectedness of species within the rainforest. Fungi farmers are another group of insects found in the rainforest that contribute significantly to nutrient recycling. These insects cultivate fungi within their nests, breaking down organic matter and returning essential nutrients to the soil. This process helps maintain the fertility of the rainforest floor and supports the growth of plants and trees. Surviving in the rainforest is no easy feat. The environment is characterized by high humidity, intense competition, and a constant struggle for resources. In response, insects and invertebrates have evolved a plethora of adaptations and behaviors that enable them to thrive in this challenging habitat. Camouflage is a common strategy employed by many rainforest inhabitants to avoid predators and improve their hunting success. Some insects have evolved intricate patterns and colors that blend seamlessly with their surroundings, making them almost invisible to the untrained eye. This adaptation is crucial for their survival and is a testament to the rainforest's role as a hotbed of evolution. Insects and invertebrates in the rainforest often form symbiotic relationships with plants and other organisms. For instance, some butterflies and moths have co-evolved with specific plant species, becoming dependent on them for laying eggs or obtaining nectar. This interdependence enhances biodiversity and ensures the continuation of both plant and insect species. Beyond their fascinating adaptations, insects and invertebrates in the rainforest provide essential ecosystem services that directly and indirectly benefit both wildlife and humans. Pollination is a critical process for plant reproduction, and many rainforest plants rely on insects and invertebrates for this purpose. As these creatures move from flower to flower, they transfer pollen, allowing plants to produce seeds and maintain genetic diversity. This process sustains the rainforest's rich flora and indirectly supports countless animal species. Insects and invertebrates play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter and facilitating nutrient cycling within the rainforest. Dung beetles, for example, efficiently decompose animal waste, returning vital nutrients to the soil and supporting plant growth. This cycle of decomposition ensures that resources are continually recycled, promoting the overall health and resilience of the ecosystem. In conclusion, the rainforest floor, brimming with insects and invertebrates, is a captivating realm of life that deserves our appreciation and understanding. These tiny creatures, from leafcutter ants to fungi farmers and dung beetles, have an immense impact on the rainforest's ecological well-being. Their astounding adaptations and behaviors further highlight the rainforest's role as a treasure trove of biodiversity and evolution. By recognizing and valuing the importance of insects and invertebrates in the Amazon rainforest, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of this ecosystem and the urgent need to protect it for generations to come. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is a sprawling expanse of dense vegetation and diverse wildlife. Within this majestic ecosystem, a fascinating array of animals has evolved remarkable adaptations and behaviors that enable them to survive the challenges of their environment. From the leaf mimicry of insects to the vibrant colors of poison dart frogs, these extraordinary features have developed over millennia and highlight the intricate relationship between Amazonian wildlife and the rainforest environment they call home. The Amazon rainforest is a treasure trove of biodiversity, housing countless species of insects, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Amidst the vast green canopy, some insects have mastered the art of leaf mimicry, a survival tactic that allows them to blend seamlessly with their surroundings, providing camouflage from predators. Leaf mimicry is a phenomenon where certain insects have evolved to resemble leaves, making it incredibly challenging for predators to detect them. One notable example of this adaptation is seen in the walking stick insects that inhabit the rainforest floor. These remarkable creatures possess elongated bodies and appendages that closely resemble twigs or branches, enabling them to remain virtually invisible among the foliage. By mimicking the appearance of leaves, these insects have honed a defense mechanism that enhances their chances of survival in the relentless cycle of predator-prey interactions. Another fascinating adaptation found in the Amazon rainforest is displayed by the renowned poison dart frogs, Dendrobatidae family. These brightly colored amphibians have captured the imagination of researchers and nature enthusiasts alike. Their vibrant hues, ranging from electric blues and radiant reds to striking yellows and oranges, serve as a warning sign to potential predators, indicating their toxic nature. The poison dart frogs sequester toxins from their diet of certain ants, mites, and other small arthropods. This diet contributes to the potent chemical compounds present in their skin, which act as a potent defense mechanism against predators. When threatened, the frogs release these toxins, making them deadly to potential attackers. The striking colors act as a visual cue to predators, signaling that consuming these frogs would be a costly and potentially fatal mistake. In addition to their vibrant colors, some poison dart frog species engage in a behavior known as parental care, which is essential for the survival of their offspring. After laying their eggs on the forest floor, the female poison dart frog diligently cares for her developing tadpoles. She returns to the clutch of eggs regularly, depositing unfertilized eggs for the tadpoles to consume, a nutritious food source that aids their growth and development. This remarkable behavior ensures the survival of the tadpoles until they are ready to metamorphose into young frogs, providing a vital link in the rainforest's intricate food web. Beyond insects and amphibians, the Amazon rainforest is home to a diverse range of bird species, each showcasing unique adaptations and behaviors. One such fascinating bird is the hoatzin, Opisthocamus hoatzin, a prehistoric-looking creature found along the waterways and swamps of the Amazon basin. Often referred to as the stinkbird, due to its pungent odor, the hoatzin has developed some curious adaptations that set it apart from other avian species. The hoatzin's most remarkable feature is its foregut fermentation system, a digestive process similar to that of cows and other ruminants. The bird consumes a herbivorous diet, primarily consisting of leaves, fruits, and flowers. However, the digestion of these tough plant materials requires special processing. The hoatzin has evolved an enlarged crop, where food is initially stored and softened by fermentation before undergoing further digestion in the stomach. The fermentation process produces gases that contribute to the bird's distinct odor. While the smell may be unpleasant to humans, it serves as a deterrent to predators, warning them of the hoatzin's indigestible plant-based diet. As a result, these birds enjoy relative safety from predation, allowing them to thrive in their preferred habitat. Moreover, the hoatzin's unique ability to climb and hop among branches with its clawed wings makes it an agile and adaptable resident of the dense rainforest environment. This behavior, combined with its specialized digestive system, showcases the incredible adaptations that have enabled the hoatzin to carve out a niche in the complex ecosystem of the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest also houses a myriad of mammalian species, each equipped with remarkable adaptations that allow them to navigate their environment efficiently. One such example is the jaguar, Panthera onca, a majestic big cat that roams the rainforest with stealth and grace. The jaguar is an apex predator, sitting at the top of the rainforest's food chain. Its powerful build and stealthy hunting tactics make it a formidable hunter, capable of taking down a variety of prey, including deer, peccaries, and even caimans. The jaguar's coat, marked by its iconic rosettes, provides excellent camouflage within the dappled light of the rainforest, allowing it to stalk its prey unnoticed. In addition to its physical adaptations, the jaguar displays territorial behaviors essential for its survival. Male jaguars, in particular, stake out vast territories, which they vigorously defend against rival males. This territoriality helps to minimize encounters between competing individuals and ensures a steady supply of prey within the occupied area. The jaguar's presence and role as a top predator are critical to maintaining the ecological balance of the rainforest, as it helps regulate the populations of its prey species. In conclusion, the Amazon rainforest stands as a living testament to the wonders of evolution and adaptation. Within its lush green embrace, animals have developed remarkable traits and behaviors that enable them to navigate the complexities of their environment. From the leaf mimicry of insects to the warning colors of poison dart frogs and the specialized digestion of the hoatzin, each adaptation tells a unique story of survival and coexistence in this awe-inspiring ecosystem. Understanding and preserving these remarkable adaptations is vital to safeguarding the delicate balance that has formed between Amazonian wildlife and the environment they call home. As we marvel at the wonders of nature in the Amazon, let us also recognize our responsibility to protect this irreplaceable treasure for generations to come. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is a vast and biodiverse ecosystem that plays a critical role in regulating the global climate and supporting a rich array of plant and animal life. However, this precious natural treasure is facing numerous threats, primarily driven by human activities. Deforestation for agriculture, illegal logging, and mining operations are among the leading factors causing the loss of habitats and placing wildlife populations in peril. The consequences of these activities are far-reaching, disrupting the delicate balance of the rainforest and leading to the extinction of many species. One of the most pressing issues is deforestation, which not only results in habitat loss but also contributes to climate change, impacting weather patterns and ecosystems beyond the Amazon's borders. Halting deforestation is a critical step in safeguarding the region's biodiversity and mitigating the effects of global warming. Deforestation, driven mainly by agricultural expansion, is one of the most significant threats to the Amazon rainforest. Vast tracts of land are cleared to make way for cattle ranching, soybean plantations, and other cash crops. This rapid land conversion not only destroys vital habitats for numerous plant and animal species but also releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Trees in the rainforest act as carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 and helping to regulate the Earth's climate. The loss of these trees exacerbates the greenhouse effect, contributing to global warming and climate change. Moreover, deforestation disrupts the natural hydrological cycle of the Amazon rainforest. Trees play a crucial role in regulating water flow, helping to maintain steady river levels and preventing soil erosion. As trees are removed, the balance of rainfall and evaporation is disrupted, leading to changes in weather patterns and an increased risk of droughts and flooding. This alteration in the water cycle affects not only the rainforest itself but also neighboring regions that rely on the Amazon basin for freshwater resources. Illegal logging poses another significant threat to the Amazon rainforest. Despite conservation efforts and regulations, the illicit trade in valuable timber continues to thrive. Poachers and illegal loggers encroach upon protected areas, removing precious hardwoods and other valuable tree species. The loss of these trees not only impacts biodiversity but also has severe consequences for indigenous communities that rely on the forest for their livelihoods and cultural traditions. Furthermore, mining operations in the Amazon rainforest result in widespread environmental destruction. Mining for minerals such as gold, copper, and bauxite involves extensive excavation and the use of toxic chemicals, leading to water pollution and habitat degradation. These activities often occur in remote and pristine areas, causing irreparable damage to the rainforest and the communities that depend on it. The consequences of deforestation and other destructive activities are devastating for the Amazon's diverse wildlife. Many species of plants and animals are at risk of extinction due to the loss of their habitats and disruptions to their ecosystems. For example, the iconic jaguar, the largest big cat in the Americas and a top predator in the rainforest, faces shrinking territories and reduced prey availability as a result of deforestation. As habitats are fragmented and isolated, wildlife populations become more vulnerable to poaching, disease, and inbreeding. Additionally, deforestation and habitat destruction have led to the decline of numerous plant species with potential medicinal value. Indigenous communities in the Amazon have long relied on the rainforest's rich biodiversity for traditional medicine, and the loss of these species threatens the preservation of traditional knowledge and healing practices. Addressing the threats to the Amazon rainforest requires urgent action on multiple fronts. One of the most critical steps is to halt deforestation. Governments, environmental organizations, and local communities must work together to enforce and strengthen laws protecting the rainforest. Sustainable land use practices, such as agroforestry and selective logging, can help strike a balance between economic development and environmental conservation. Moreover, supporting and empowering indigenous communities is crucial in the fight against deforestation. Indigenous peoples have a deep connection to the land and a wealth of traditional knowledge about sustainable resource management. By respecting their rights and involving them in decision-making processes, we can create a more effective and inclusive approach to conserving the rainforest. International cooperation is also essential in preserving the Amazon rainforest. The rainforest's ecological significance extends far beyond its borders, influencing weather patterns, carbon storage, and global biodiversity. As such, the responsibility to protect the Amazon falls not only on the countries within the region but also on the international community. Collaborative efforts, financial support, and technology transfer can help bolster conservation initiatives and promote sustainable development in the Amazon. In conclusion, the Amazon rainforest faces a myriad of threats, primarily driven by human activities such as deforestation, illegal logging, and mining operations. The consequences of these activities are far-reaching, impacting biodiversity, climate regulation, and the livelihoods of indigenous communities. Halting deforestation and addressing the root causes of environmental destruction are crucial steps in safeguarding the Amazon's precious ecosystems and the species that call it home. By supporting sustainable land use practices, empowering indigenous communities, and fostering international cooperation, we can work together to preserve the Amazon rainforest for future generations and protect the delicate balance that sustains life in this awe-inspiring natural wonder. Thankfully, various organizations and initiatives have stepped up to protect the Amazon and its inhabitants. This essay delves into the vital role of conservation organizations in preserving the Amazon's rich ecosystem by conducting research, advocating for policy changes, and raising awareness. Conservation organizations play a pivotal role in conducting extensive research to better understand the Amazon rainforest and its diverse species. By studying the complex interactions between flora and fauna, they gain valuable insights into the rainforest's ecological processes and the delicate balance that sustains life within it. Additionally, these organizations monitor wildlife populations, track deforestation rates, and assess the impact of human activities on the environment. Armed with this knowledge, they can develop informed conservation strategies that are both effective and sustainable. Recognizing the need for a comprehensive approach to safeguarding the Amazon, conservation organizations engage in advocacy and policy initiatives. They work tirelessly to influence governments, both locally and internationally, to implement protective measures and regulations that promote sustainable land use and responsible resource management. These efforts involve collaboration with indigenous communities, governments, and other stakeholders to ensure that policies are inclusive and considerate of the needs of all involved parties. Indigenous communities have lived in harmony with the Amazon rainforest for centuries, possessing invaluable traditional knowledge about the region's ecosystems and wildlife. Conservation organizations recognize the significance of this wisdom and actively collaborate with indigenous communities to protect their territories and preserve their way of life. Such partnerships foster a holistic approach to conservation that respects cultural heritage while promoting sustainable practices and resource management. Conservation organizations understand that the preservation of the Amazon's biodiversity is intrinsically tied to the well-being of both wildlife and human populations. They strive to find sustainable solutions that benefit all stakeholders, offering alternatives to activities that contribute to deforestation and ecological degradation. By promoting sustainable livelihoods and supporting economic opportunities that do not harm the rainforest, these organizations work to alleviate poverty and reduce the pressure on natural resources. Raising public awareness about the importance of the Amazon rainforest is essential for garnering support and mobilizing action. Conservation organizations use various communication channels, including social media, documentaries, and educational programs, to inform people about the threats facing the rainforest and the urgent need for conservation. Through educational initiatives, they inspire the next generation to become environmental stewards, fostering a sense of responsibility towards the planet's natural wonders. In conclusion, the Amazon rainforest stands as a symbol of nature's resilience and diversity, yet it faces unprecedented challenges that threaten its existence. Conservation organizations stand at the forefront of the battle to protect this ecological treasure, conducting research, advocating for policy changes, and raising awareness about its importance. By collaborating with indigenous communities and promoting sustainable solutions, these organizations strive to preserve the Amazon's rich biodiversity for generations to come. The collective efforts of these dedicated groups are crucial in ensuring that the Amazon rainforest continues to thrive as a vital lifeline for the planet and its inhabitants. Only through a united global commitment can we truly safeguard this irreplaceable natural wonder. The Amazon rainforest, with its awe-inspiring biodiversity and ecological significance, attracts millions of tourists each year. While tourism offers opportunities to experience the wonders of this natural treasure, it also brings the potential for environmental degradation and disruption of local communities. Promoting sustainable practices and responsible tourism is essential in ensuring the long-term preservation of the Amazon rainforest. By supporting eco-friendly initiatives, visitors can minimize their environmental impact and contribute to the conservation of this exceptional region. Responsible tourism also provides economic incentives for local communities to protect their natural resources, encouraging a harmonious relationship between humans and wildlife. Responsible tourism is a concept that recognizes the interconnectedness of the environment, local communities, and visitors. It goes beyond traditional sightseeing to ensure that tourists' activities have a positive impact on the destination they visit. In the Amazon rainforest, responsible tourism is crucial for maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem and supporting the well-being of indigenous communities that have lived in harmony with this environment for generations. Tourists in the Amazon can take several measures to minimize their environmental impact. This includes adhering to designated trails to prevent trampling of delicate flora, avoiding the littering of non-biodegradable waste, and refraining from feeding or touching wildlife. Responsible tour operators play a vital role in educating visitors about the fragile nature of the rainforest and implementing guidelines that protect its pristine environment. Responsible tourism encourages visitors to support and participate in eco-friendly initiatives that actively contribute to the conservation of the Amazon rainforest. This can include volunteering with local organizations engaged in reforestation efforts, wildlife monitoring, or environmental education programs. Additionally, tourists can choose accommodations and tour operators that prioritize sustainability, such as those with eco-friendly practices and a commitment to reducing their carbon footprint. In conclusion, promoting sustainable practices and responsible tourism is not only essential for the long-term preservation of the Amazon rainforest but also for the well-being of the communities that call this region home. By engaging in activities that respect the environment and local cultures, tourists can support conservation efforts and contribute to the protection of this exceptional natural wonder. Responsible tourism offers a powerful means of fostering a harmonious relationship between humans and wildlife in the Amazon. Embracing responsible tourism as a guiding principle can pave the way for a sustainable future for the Amazon rainforest and the planet as a whole. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Pets and Animals.